Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions, my real money, and we're joined by investors and traders around the world every day who share with you their real trades, their real positions. We're not here to promote or pump anything other than to share the stories of the things that we invest in, and if that pumps up the stock, then that's great. We all make money together, we all invest together, we all trade together live in front of everyone. This is all my money, literally all my money. Up to a few days ago, I had $2,000 in the bank. I transferred it all, my last little bit of money to live on. That's my day-to-day money, and I won't have any more money until I get paid next month, which is middle of October on YouTube. This is my full-time gig, full-time job on YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. So let's hope we can make some money this month to put back in the day-to-day expenses. But anyway, that's the situation. This is my real shares. We are now experiencing a bear market rally. 100%, no question. This is not the bottom. It could be, and one day it will be. Nobody knows. And the reality is, nobody will know until weeks afterwards. We won't know. People in 1982, people in the great crashes and in the Great Depression didn't know they were in a great crash. They didn't know they were in a depression until weeks and months later when they realized what the bottom was. No one knows. So the people that will tell you on YouTube and the experts on the financial channels, nobody knows when we get to the bottom until weeks after, and they look back and go, that was the bottom. That's when we know. So how do you survive a bear market? Well, you could trim off the top right now and take some profits, but really I'm so down that I don't want to do that. The only way to do that is sell everything for a profit, buy it back, but of course one day the bear market will turn bullish. We've had months and months and months now. We've had since December. One of the longest bear market rallies in history. At some point, the odds are going to turn up. It's obvious. So, I'm not looking to sell anything today. If we had a 20% market rally, then yes. But right now, this is nice to see it going up. It gives me that nice, comfortable feeling. But this really isn't an opportunity for me in my current situation where I am in the stocks right now. Anyway, if you've just come on in, good morning to all of you. Subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you are here. Love to see you. Who are the first in today? Let's put on the screen. We've got Mike over there on Twitch, as always, our #1 Twitcher. Keeping the channel going. It makes us money, which we return to you every month in cash prize draws. So, you should all be on Twitch as well with a separate tab. YouTube is #1. Do not abandon YouTube. Good morning, TikTok. Welcome everybody on TikTok. We've got a great day lined up today. Thank you very much indeed for Eugene and Tracy for the loves. Thank you so much indeed. If you click the star above here, you can become one of my subscribers, and my subscribers get exclusive content, which I only make for my subscribers. And also, I make a video for you at the end of the show. Put your channel on here on this screen. This is my YouTube feed right now. That's where our main show is. And I promote your channel, get you more subscribers and followers. I do it for all of my followers and subscribers on YouTube and TikTok, and I only follow back my members and subscribers. That way I can engage in everybody. So be very, very careful of the fake accounts that pretend to be me. They're not me. You can tell. The main reason is they always try and sell you stuff. I don't sell you anything. I'm here to give you cash prizes every Friday for free out of my own money. I love doing it, and I'm here to help people. And also, it's the real me because I'm always live, up to 10 hours a day. And also, I don't follow very many people, just my subscribers and my members to help them grow. The fake accounts follow for follow. They've got 1 million followers. They follow 1 million people. It's all a joke. And lastly, they always message you with scammy deals. I'll never message you. Okay, so be very, very wary. Back to YouTube. Portland Trailblazers. We missed you last night. We were ready for your birthday. We were all ready to celebrate your birthday. That was Jack, I think your cousin. We were all ready to go with your birthday, and you disappeared. We waited for like 20 minutes. We did some music. We tried to celebrate, but you didn't come back. What happened? Anyway, you're here now. Is Jack with you? The family? What's going on? Do you want to celebrate the birthday? You can do it the day after as well, if you want to. Okay, guys, we're going green today. Lots of good news came in today. Hi, said Alf. Afternoon, everyone. Share the good news, Stephen. We got a guest here today. We got a guest, Stephen Bill. We are the highest engaged YouTube channel on YouTube. More of our live viewers are members than any other channel on YouTube. You'll see 95% of our live viewers are members. It's what we do here on The Day Trader. We offer a program to support people. It's here to help everybody. I go live up to 10 hours a day. I'm also known as the World Piano Man, and we do music in the show as well. At certain points, people request songs, normally at the end of the day. We do songs to lighten the mood, 14 voices, 7 different languages, and we encourage you to watch on a 4-screen TV with a good sound system, because I broadcast the music in CD quality. Anyway, UK lenders halve mortgage deals to customers after market chaos. UK lenders halve mortgage deals. There you go. I read about that. That's good. What a wonderful... Oh, upgraded membership. Silver. Will Ledwidge has just become a silver member live on the show. Let's come back to that in a second, and we'll upgrade all his accounts. What a wonderful concert last night, Martin. It was my absolute pleasure. I loved doing it. It really... The emotion and the feeling was great last night. It really worked, didn't it? Yes, I was at work when it was. So what are you looking to do? Are we looking to do it again today? What is it you want us to do? Lucid stock is booming pre-market. Let me have a look. It's up 4.4%. Yeah. Look for a large pump on EV stocks today as Giant Oil UK company is installing charging stations worldwide. Love it. Oh, love it. That's what we want to see. And that's why my portfolio is heavily weighted into EVs. Yes, you do it today. Okay. We'll do it today then. We'll do it. So, do you want to share the video with everybody then? And get all your family and friends in? So let me give you the link. Here is the link of today's video. Right, go and share it with everyone. Get all your family and friends in. And we'll do it mid-morning, okay? We'll do it for you, absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, there's the link for you. Okay. I have 520 shares of Enphase Energy. Enphase. How many? Did you say 520? Did you say 520? Hang on a minute. 520 shares? Are you sure about that? That's $146,000. Bloody hell. Hell. Dexter Sickles, he's got $146,000 worth of bloody... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But I'm the only one up right now. Well, why don't Portland Trailblazer... Bloody hell, mate. Well, that's a portfolio and a half. Bloody hell. Anyway, anyway, what was I going to say? Just blow me away there. You never know who's watching your show, do you? Here's me sitting here, thrilled to bits if I make $1 tip. One of our members goes, I've got $146,000 in Enphase Energy. And I always say how bullish I am on Enphase Energy, which I am, of course. Hang on a minute. When did you buy it? Hang on a minute. When did you buy it? Did you buy it when it was $8.46? Did you? Hang on. Did you buy it when it was $8.46, or did you buy it now at $200? That's what I'm saying, right? 146,000. Did you buy it when it was down here? He probably did. I doubt if he. I mean, he may have done. I don't know. Anyway, let's have a look. Yes, so Portland Trailblazer, shall we do your birthday in the closing bell? Then would everybody be awake? Wouldn't that make more sense? If everyone in the family's asleep, seems to make sense to wait, doesn't it? Anyway, Feds Evans says he's getting a little nervous about going too fast with rate hikes. Bloody hell, that's right. Wow. Last week. Okay. He bought last week. All right. Okay, brilliant. NASA did well last night. Is also helping the markets with space and Blue Origin. Well, I don't know. Churchy. That's a bit of a stretch. I mean, we can bump into an asteroid, so everyone should buy Virgin Galactic. I don't know. Is that how the market works? Is that how it works? I don't know. Is that how it works? I don't know. What do you think about IMX Immutable? I'm not in it. Can't tell you anything about it. Super doodle, I'm afraid. Tracy, I want to subscribe, but unable to for a few days. Tracy, if you are serious about investing, obviously you've just said you want to subscribe. What I suggest you do is the home of our show. We're live 10 hours a day. Is come into YouTube right now. As you've just said that, let me do something special for you, right, Tracy? I appreciate you wanting to subscribe. You can't for a few days. You've got to wait for some money. I understand that. So come into YouTube right now. The link's in the profile, okay? Link's in the profile, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Links it here. Come on in. Come into YouTube right now. Say, I'm Tracy from TikTok. And I guarantee you're going to get the very, very, very best welcome from our family of traders. We have the most engaged, official engaged channel on YouTube. More of our members who watch me live, more people watch live on our channel are members than any other channel, even the biggest channels like Mr. Beast. It's a fact. In fact, the other day we went viral with a Mr. Beast quote. So jump on into our show, links in the profile. I want to do something special for you. Entry point on J&J, anytime. Entry point on J&J anytime. Right now, it's great because people are getting more into medical stocks, and J&J never lets me down. It pays a really good dividend. It always holds its position. I use it as a safe place to park my money. I very, 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 very rarely lose money on J&J. In fact, I don't. I just hold it and keep adding to it, keep getting the dividends, reinvest it. It's a big part of the S&P. It's a very important part of the S&P as well. So I always buy it. I always own it. I don't sell anything. I just sometimes trim off the top if I need some money. But that's how I do it. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's see if Tracy comes in. Hey guys, aren't you happy I'm being bullish today? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Everyone will be at work and school when you do the closing bell. Oh. Okie dokie, we'll do it this morning then. We'll do it this morning, then you can share the video, right? You can share the video with everybody. That's what we'll do. Bank stocks are rallying too this morning after sell-off on Monday. Like I said on the video on Monday, what did I say on the video on Monday? Markets are oversold. Are we at the bottom? Well, I thought we were at the bottom a few weeks ago. You know, everybody will say we are near the bottom than the top. That's kind of like an easy thing, a get-out thing to say. But for me, you want to be in the markets. The Fed could pivot at any point. The Fed have gone so aggressive, they could pivot at any point and markets would rally. I honestly feel you should be in the market, obviously, because I am. I'm all in with all my savings, all my money, all my possible amount. I am in. Now, if you're looking at my portfolio going, yeah, but hang on a minute, you're not fully in. You've got, 17 grand there. Where is it? Let me share with you. 17 grand here. Hang on, is that going to work there? 16 grand. Oh, you got 16 grand. That's margin. I don't want to use that margin. That's margin. That's what's available. Robinhood are going, here's 16 grand. Go out and spend it. I'm not going to chase the stock. When the stocks go up, I enjoy that. I buy when they go down. All right? I want my price, my averages to be as low as possible. Anyway, I'm all in USD. USD is not available, unfortunately, for me on Robinhood in Texas. Have you seen this? How about this? USD is currently unavailable to trade in Texas. You won't be able to trade USD if you're a resident of Texas or have been in the last 25 and 45 days. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I can't buy a USD coin. I quite like that idea. I can see the point in that. I can see the point in that. I like that. Who likes that idea? A crypto that's just a USD coin. I think that's great. Don't you? I'd love to buy that. Solid, straightforward, simple, not scammy. The very opposite of scammy. I like the idea of that. Anyway, US dollar, I can't believe I'm saying this, is a good currency right now. There you go. Look at this. Now, we are a bear market rally. Everyone should realize that. It could fall, but hey, if it gets really far ahead, if we get 11... I mean, the record on this show has been 11. Martyn Lucas, this is Tracy from TikTok. Yeah, but you're still on TikTok. You're still on TikTok. You didn't come into YouTube. What's the point of telling me your name is Tracy on TikTok? You're already on TikTok. You got to come onto YouTube. There's no point saying my name is Tracy on TikTok if you're already on TikTok. I know it's you, Tracy. Links to the profile. Just click the profile here, and it's got the YouTube link right there. youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Anyway, I'm sure you can work it out, Tracy. I believe in you. Thousands of people every day work it out, so I'm sure you could do it. Right, let's go back to the main portfolio. Look at this. Isn't that because you're already 100% in USD? Yeah, probably. Fed will not pivot, however, no time soon. One more hike at the end of the year. They could, and they have in history when currencies have broken. And yesterday we were right on the edge of me saying the pound had broken. It rallied at the end, but my God, you can argue that the pound broke yesterday. Anyway, last time in history that happened, the Fed did pivot. So anyway, it's up to you. Right then, okay, very important. Subscribe and ring the bell. We need to get 25 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? I'm going to look into my crystal ball. This is a bear market rally. 100%, million percent. The record we've seen is 11% today. Maybe we'll get a 5% and then a drop of 2. That's my guess. I do think we'll end up as a green day, but it is a bear market rally. People will take profits. It depends on how far that goes. But anyway, that's what I think. But anyway, if you want to make money today, and if you want to make money, if you don't want to make money, don't bother. But if you want to make money today, you know what you got to do? You know what you got to do. You got to smash the like button. Smash the like button. And I need 25 likes in 1 minute. Here it comes. I said a chicky chicky pow pow. I said a chicky chicky pow pow. Real Satoshi, please stand up. Say please stand up. Say please stand up with the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. Tracy, in the profile, there are 2 links. There's the little YouTube play button. That's the YouTube link. There's also youtube.com/thedaytrader1. I'm telling you, as their YouTube channel. And also, if you come out of the live show, hit the profile, the all links button will bring you there as well. There's 3 ways to do it. Just got to press the button, and you'll be right here. Chicky 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 pow pow. We've got 16 likes. We need another 4. Chicky 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 pow pow. Smash the like button. Smash the like. Smash the like. Smash the like. Are we going to get to 20 likes? Oh, it's a bit quiet this morning, isn't it? Bit quiet this morning. Anyway, we're getting a bear market rally. Everyone's making money and nothing's going on. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Let's read the comments. Read the comments. Here he is. Dronar. I hope everyone's well. Dronar Aerial Services. Here he is, a man in the little yellow helmet. 22. Go on, Fed website. They barely printing money right now, and that's a good thing to me. That's a good thing, says Churchy. Well, it's good and bad. Virgin Galactic 501. I've got 1,000 shares of it. My average is 541. I could buy some more. I'm not going to. I think balance is everything. All it means is if I bought another 1,000 shares, what it would mean is I would have some to trim off. And that, because I want to keep 1,000. When I've only got 1,000, I haven't really got anything to trim off. So I could, if I bought 1,000 shares of Virgin Galactic today, my average would drop. My average would drop to 520. which would be good. And we could have a bit of a bounce, but more than likely we'll go down from here. So it's not there yet. There's good news coming for Virgin Galactic, but it's not there yet. Now, if I'm wrong and it pops up today, it's so be it. So be it. An average of 541, I used to have an average of 35, is still good. It just means I won't have anything to trim off. It'll be, well, I will have to trim some off. But if I'd have had 2,000 shares of Virgin Galactic at this point, I could have then trimmed off and left myself with 1,500, then back down to 1,000, and kept the 1,000. That's what I would like to do. But let's get some balance here, folks. It's 7.5% of my portfolio. And if we get a rally to $10, it would become 15% of my portfolio. 15% of my portfolio. And that's what it will do. That is a very strong position in your portfolio. It shouldn't be bigger than that. So anyway, glad I put some calls in yesterday at close. I'm about to go to Canada before the cold weather gets in. Very nice, Churchy. Send some pictures into Discord. We'll share them. So there we go. Virgin Orbit. I'm out of the stock at the moment. Very little going on down there. Got something in my eye this morning. Tesla. Let me finish my tea. Someone on TikTok said Satoshi is a woman. Maybe. No one knows. Oh, bloody hell. I'm all over the place this morning. Over there, the Fed's fund rate and SPY, you can see we are in trouble like 2008, John Crett. I know, but what comes after 2008? What comes after that? A great big fat rally. So at the end of the day, you always want to be investing, you always want to be saving, and it's been proven time and time again. If you're in the markets long term, you'll always do very well. If you're sat on the outside moaning and complaining and saying the world's going to come to an end, guarantee one thing's going to happen. Nothing. Absolutely sod all. If you're over there, the Fed's fund rate and SPY, you can see we are in trouble like 2008. But having said that, we are in a different world than we were in 2008. Too many people who read charts will always tell you the future is going to do exactly what it did in the past. And that is absolute nonsense. There's value in that, and there's some truth in that. But we live in a very different world now. We live in a very... Oh, thank you very much. Thanks, Leah. We live in a very different world now than we did then. We wasn't having a war like we have now, which is good and bad. Obviously, always bad for people involved in the war, but good and bad for the economy. There's lots of people that take advantage of a war situation. So good and bad in that situation. We also have an exploding world of EVs. We didn't have that in 2008. So we've got a technology now that's going to revolutionize the world. We're getting into space. That didn't exist. There's many other things, and the economy of the US is very different to other economies. So and 2020 we had a self-inflicted crash. See, I don't call it a self-inflicted crash. We shut down the world, but it wasn't self-inflicted, was it? We shut down the world because of COVID. There was a reason. It wasn't we just let's all lose money on purpose. I mean, I don't know. Now we are due for a real crash. Yes, we are in a much worse place. People are poorer, and the Fed doesn't have the bullets left. Won't be any bailing out this time. We shouldn't have shut down the world. Well, we can always look back. That's the hard truth. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're wrong. I don't know. Time will tell, I guess. Time always tells in the end. We always look back in hindsight and go, okay, that's what we should have done. Anyway, you're getting me talking too much here, and you know why? Because I've just missed one of my ad spots. I've just missed... Oh, thanks for my coffee. My coffee's arrived, Mike. In a day trader mug. If you go below in the links, you can find the shop, the all links button. You can go to the shop and get yourself a day trader mug. And remember, you always make more money if you're holding a day trader mug. I've seen it in my crystal ball. Anyway, so here we go. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, the bond market is in a very bad place right now. John Crett, welcome John Crett to our family. How are you this morning? Now then, coming up on Monday, I'm taking my annual leave. You know I'm here 5 days a week, 10 hours a day, every day, all the time. I'm taking my leave in October. So to keep the family going, to keep the community going, there's going to be very, very special videos, exclusive videos that will come out and premiere at the same time as the live shows. And the purpose of that is, one, they are going to be exclusive for our members, because I've got 95% of our live viewers are members, so I want to honor you and support you. And it will enable all the members every single day at the opening and closing bell to come in for a short video. And as it premieres live at the opening and closing bell times, you'll be able to chat with each other. I will pop in from time to time from holiday, my vacation, and say hello, share a few things, and we'll have the opportunity to chat. Twice a day. So please do keep the tradition up, like what we've built here. And that starts on Monday. All right, that starts on Monday. And I will return at the end of the month with the regular live shows as normal. Okie dokie. All right. In 2008, central banks had the tools to avert a total meltdown. QE and quantitative easing. And there was room for reducing rates. Not going to happen this time. Well, the way I see it is this. The way I look at it is this. There's only room for positivity in life. Negativity produces nothing. Positivity produces something. And the fact of the matter is, we rely on investing for our future, for our savings, and for our pensions. Without the stock market, there's no saving. What are you going to do? Where are you going to put your money? Nowhere. Get a couple of percent in the bank. Nowhere. The only way you can make money, and we can all make money, is investing in capitalism, is investing in companies that make money, that build things, that make things, that fix problems, that to encourage people to spend and buy their services and their products. They make money, the shareholders make money. Basic, simple foundations of life, right? So we all need to make money. At some point when the market seems so oversold and companies that make money seem so cheap, people will buy in. Things will never, crypto can go to zero because it doesn't do anything. It's just a belief system, right? Whereas products that make things, fix things, make the world a better place, they make money. So at some point, they seem so cheap, people buy in. There's no way. Let's just take Apple, for example. All right? One of the biggest companies in the world. Imagine today, Apple went down to $1. It would never get to $1 because as it started to fall, people who know this company makes money and has cash reserves and blah, 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 would go, bloody hell, this is ridiculous. They'd buy it in. It'll always go back up. So all you've got to do is either buy the bottom. That's impossible because no one knows until afterwards. And then they go, oh, yeah, the bottom was then. No one knows until months later. And also buy companies that make money and will change the world. So you need some high risk like Virgin Galactic because that's a stock of the future. That makes money in the future. And then you need companies like Apple or Amazon or whoever else you want to invest in, like I do, and just hold it. Now it's a long proven fact. Day trading works. I've scalp traded it, right? But however, if you don't day trade and you don't scalp trade and you just put your money in and keep buying every time it's lower, not just over the time, but every time it's a new low, you dump more money in. It's a proven fact. In 10 years, 20 years from now, you will be considerably up more than if you traded it. Because you're not looking for the highs and the lows. You're just always buying it when it's lower. That's all. If you buy 117 today on Amazon, and next month you buy it at 115, and next month you buy it at 110, it keeps going down. At some point it will turn up and you've got cheaper and cheaper stocks. You never bought the bottom because you bought it on the way down, but long term you'll do all right. You can be as positive as you like, but reality is reality. Reality is reality, but ultimately, positivity always wins at the end of the day. Going to be a boring month in the mornings for me. Going to be a boring month in the mornings for me. Don't worry, it'll still be entertaining. Everybody will be here. You can chat to everybody. I'll come in the chat. I'll annoy the hell out of you. Don't worry about that. And then you'll miss me. Then you'll come back even stronger then, won't you? When I see the stock market, I understand why we have communist in society now. Communism, I think you mean. Martin, what happens to Apple if no one wants to buy a new phone because they need to pay? I absolutely agree 100%. And I know, because I always bought a new phone. I haven't bought a new phone now since the 10S Max. I didn't buy the 11, the 12, 13, what are we now? We're 14 or 13, I can't remember. I haven't bought, are we 14 now? I think we're 14. I haven't bought one for ages. I get it. But if you think the only way that Apple makes money is selling phones, then you are wrong. Apple make money doing lots of other things. I was looking yesterday at the businesses that are involved with Amazon. I was blown away by the amount of interest that Amazon has. You think of Amazon, you think of it as an online store, right? I can go on and order some deodorant, or I can order a set of razor blades. No, Amazon does so many more things than just does that. All that extra money these companies, and also 22, we live in a world where lots of people, come Christmas, will find a way to buy a phone. I'm sure of that. All that extra money these companies have lying around for no reason needs to be taxed and sent to homeless services and affordable housing. Church, big heart, mate. I love it. For the first time this year, I will not be upgrading my phone or even buying anything for the holidays. There you go. I don't buy anything for the holidays because I'm a tight sod. Jason Newman, afternoon all. Afternoon. We're experiencing a bear market rally. And there we go. It's topped off. Is that the end? Well, we shall see. Did I buy it? Never buy a bear market pump. Never. You should already be in when this happens. If you were in here, and I've done it. I've scalp traded. I was in here and sold here. Done that loads of times, thousands of times. Sometimes 100 times in a show. I've done that. I get that. But this isn't the time to do it. When I'm so far down, when I'm just trying to calm my portfolio down and rebalance it, this isn't the time to do that. Anyway, for some of you it is. These companies are pumped up on consumerism, fueled by a low interest rate world economy. The last 15 years has been a party, and the music is about to stop. What do you think about Lockheed's current stock price? I sold out of it. Now, you're all like 22 now, right? Is talking in a way that if you didn't know anything, makes total sense, right? Total sense. Everything you're saying now makes sense. We can all see the news. Anyone who reads the news, not an opinion-based news, I mean the real news. Anyone who reads the news knows what he's saying is correct. It just takes a bit of intelligence to read and understand what's going on. However, this is where the markets and all the knowledge that you've got don't make sense. You have to find the truth within the truth. Lockheed is supposed to be rallying because of the war. Market Profit, who's always doom and gloom, said to me, buy Lockheed, you make loads of money because the war's building up and Lockheed shares keep going up. Well, they did for a while. I bought here and sold here, and ever since then it's been going down. So where's the rally? Where's the rally? I mean, I don't see any rally. I don't see any stock rallying. This stock is supposed to fly to the moon because of the war. Maybe it will tomorrow, and I know you'll all go, well, I told you. Wait for the invasion. I don't know. Doesn't that make any sense? Wait for the invasion. Surely you've got to build the planes a little bit ahead of the invasion. The invasion starts tomorrow, and then we have to build 1 million planes by tomorrow. Surely we're already building the planes if we think there's going to be an invasion. Do you see what I'm saying? There should be the customers and the revenue coming in already, but there's not. I don't know. At the end of the day, I don't look. I bought it here. I sold it here. What can I say? I don't see anything happening right now. But maybe I'm right. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Here he is, one of our original members. That's the stock you always. That's the stock you always hold. What? Lockheed? Well, it's not doing anything, is it? I'd rather own something else, like Johnson & Johnson or Coca-Cola. Because I guarantee one thing, we're going to be always drinking Coke before we buy planes. I guarantee you that. Hey, everyone, not chatting, but watching silently in the background. He's like a stealth. He's like a stealth today. Here he is. Got a gold badge. You know why he's got a gold badge? He's been a member longer than anyone. No one, well, yellow. No one has got a gold badge yet. The gold badges start next month. And then we got red. No one has got only a handful have got yellow badges. Anyway, have you heard the phrase, throw the baby out with the bathwater? Doesn't matter if a company is good or bad, will be indiscriminate selling exactly like 2008. There you go. So it makes no sense then, does it? So what we're saying is, doesn't matter if a company is good or bad, will be indiscriminate selling. So there you go. No one knows what they're buying, what they're selling. Does that make any sense then? No. It doesn't. Anyway, there we go. We're starting to lose a little bit right now. The bear market rally. Is it over? I don't know. I don't understand it. Also didn't see a lot of rallies in other similar stocks. No, true. Because I'm awesome. Because I'm awesome. By the way, I want to do something very, very special. I think Mark Korn is one of my members, right? Yes, one of my silver. Yeah, I thought so. So, Mark Korn, by the way, is a very, very funny comedian. You might think, or you might not. It's up to you. But I want to do something for Mark Korn. He's been a member for a very long time, and we're going to make him famous right now. He's got 1,000 subscribers, and once you hit 1,000, it doesn't show until you hit 1,000 and 1,100, 1.1. So I don't know how close to 1,100 he is, but I'm going to ask everyone now to subscribe to Mark Korn's website, YouTube channel. There it is. All right, let's go and make him famous. Let's see if we can get his views up. Let's see if we can get his channel up. It'll only go to 1.1 if he's very close to 1,100. So if everyone does it, you never know. It might do it. There's 28 watching. Let's do it. Let's make Mark Korn famous. I'll come back in a minute. That's a little gift to you, Mark, for being a member for all this time. You are very unique. There's no one else like you. Nobody else wants to be like you. But nevertheless, you are unique. This is true. And he's very yellow. He's like the big yellow package company, isn't he? Where you store your boxes. What's it called? The big yellow factory, the big yellow box company. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, you can store your boxes. I'm going to come to that, back to that in a minute. And I want to see that go to 1,100. I don't know if it will. I don't know how close to 1.1 he is. There you go. Okay, give you the link again. I'll come back in a minute and I'll check on you, see if you've done it. In the meantime, time for a quick commercial break. See you back in a couple of seconds time from now. Here we go. Here he is. Margin at open for you, Arnold Palmer. Bloody hell. Here he is, margin boy. Right, shall we have a look? Appreciate it, Martin. You're very welcome, mate. You've been a member forever. And I appreciate it. So I'm always here to help. Right, 1,000. Let's have a look. It'll only go to 1,000, 1.1 if he's close to 100. See, I don't know. I don't know how many subscribed. I can't tell. It's a shame when someone is so bloody big you can't tell anymore. He can tell. Mark, can you go to your YouTube studio and tell me how many subscribers you just got then? I'd imagine you got a few, but you need to get 100 if you're on 1,000 exactly before it showed to 1.1. Anyway, he'll tell us in a minute. He'll go, none. I didn't get any. That'd be embarrassing. Didn't get any. All right. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic is holding. Virgin Orbit. Tesla. And Rivian. Lucid. Now, oh, I forgot. Who was it who came silver today? Will Ledwidge. I got to do something for Will. Will. Is Will in the chat? No, where's Will? Where's Will? Is Will not in the chat? No, where's Will? Where's Will gone? Will Ledwidge. I got 7. I got 7. Fantastic. You got 7 subscribers. Brilliant. Thank you guys very, very much. I'm sure you'll be very, very appreciative of that. Will Ledwidge. He's not in the chat. Damn it. I wanted to do something for Will Ledwidge. He's just become a silver member. I've got to write that down. Will Ledwidge, when he comes back this afternoon. Will Ledwidge silver. Yeah. All right. When he comes back. Will Ledwidge, are you here? No, he's not. I know he's not here because I can see that. I reached 1,500 followers on TikTok yesterday. Have you followed me yet? Oh, he is. Will Ledwidge is here. Yes. Well, why are you not showing up? Oh, you are now. That's weird. You're here now. Will Ledwidge. Will Ledwidge just became silver. Now, Will Ledwidge, now you are silver, all right? You can, if you want to, have your own channel on Discord. Just message me and say I'd like it, and you can have your own channel on Discord to promote whatever you want. Also, you can go on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you wish to, and then we feature your channel as well. Okay, and don't forget you now get a 20-minute concert as well, because for a fundraiser or a celebration, you get that extra as well. And other perks as well. So make sure that you check those out, and the exclusive YouTube video content and the replies and the support you get and everything else. All right, so lots of other perks you can have. Just let me know if you want any of those things. And I want everyone to welcome Will. He's just upgraded to a silver membership. Thank you so, so much indeed for your support. There we go. Will Ledwidge. Thank you very much. What are we smoking on today? Well, today we're up because we're having a bear market rally. That's what's happening right now. Queen of Self-Braiding. Did you check out... did you see my posts all over the place? Because I know you're in the Dallas area. I now have on the All Links page, I have the Martyn Lucas newsletter as well. For those of you who don't know, I'm starting to do live gigs around the US again now. And if you want to see, you go onto the All Links button. Links are below, martynlucas.com/links. The Day Trader newsletter at the top. Scroll down, there's the YouTube channel. And there is the Martyn Lucas music newsletter. And that includes the dates that I'm doing and the address of where I'm going to be. So if you want to come and join me on a gig. Also, on top of that, there's on the top of the video, top of the channel, there's a calendar of events. Calendar of events. So there you go. There's the first one. It's more to come. So if you want to check out, you can see the gigs if you are in the area. All right. Marvellous. All right. There you go. So there's another newsletter if you want to get it. Just because we love you, Martin. Oh, look at that. I got a super chat. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Well, that is very, very cool. So if anybody wants to do the other half of that, you can have a song at the end of the show because that will cover the copyright. So if anyone does the other half of that, we can do a song at the end of the show. Anyway, Queen of Logic is here. Hi, Martin. I wonder if I could ask, is BHP in the S&P in America? That's a good question. The S&P is right. Some of my researchers, please. We've got a question here from a guest. He's not a member. So don't rush too quick, but he could become a member. Be nice to our guest, Brian Warby. Brian Warby, you'll notice nearly everyone's got a badge. If you become a member, you get many, many perks to our channel, where we here, our membership is to help you, not to help me, it's to benefit you. So there you go. If you want to become a member, would any of our researchers please have a quick look? Is BHP in the S&P in America? And then you can share it onto Discord, as you know, links for YouTube, and I will share it for our guest, Brian Warby. Where you from, Brian? Welcome to our channel. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. Let me give you a wave. This is our TV studio. There you go. This is where we do live concerts. If we get a super chat to cover it, we do it in the show. At the end of the show, we often put music in and celebrate and all sorts of stuff. Martin, what happened with your Rio dividend? I still do not have it. And I also do not have the Lockheed one. 2 shares I sold the day they were going to pay me haven't appeared. Look, nothing in Lockheed. I should have some shares. I've got none. Rio Tinto. So now I've left it long enough, I'm going to write to, or email rather, I'm going to email Robinhood. Look, nothing. I have none. $149 here. So did it go into my portfolio balance? It says I got paid. Maybe it was in my balance. I don't know. But it should have gone into the stock. It should have bought the stock. It didn't. Maybe by selling it, it doesn't do it. I don't know. I need to find out. So the answer is, if you are in a stock before the ex-dividend date, you will get a dividend. But, however, if you have sold the stock before it pays you, you don't. It doesn't buy the stock. It might have gone into my balance. I will find out and I will confirm it. But it should have gone into the stock. It hasn't. We will find out. That's where we are with it right now. BHE is in the New York Stock Exchange. Is on the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, but that's not the question he's asking, Church. What he is asking is it in the S&P? Is it in the S&P 500? Is that what you're asking, Brian Warby? That is 2 very different questions. The BHP is listed on the New York Stock Exchange. That doesn't mean to say it's in the S&P 500 basket of funds, all right? Where it's VOO, SPY, whatever you use to access it. We are doing some research for you now. Our members are looking for you, and we'll bring you that information. All right, Church of Logic is on it. Ed Nevius. Ed, how are you today? BHP Limited Holdings, New York Stock Exchange. Yes, but is it in the S&P? Australia here. Hi, everyone. There's Brian. I got my dividend yesterday in the UK. I normally get my dividends as well straight away. But this time it didn't, because I sold on the day of it receiving. I don't know. It shouldn't have done. I got my Rio. See, Bill got his. BHP Limited Holdings, New York Stock Exchange, yes, but we're trying to find out if it's in the S&P. That was the question. Why don't you just look at your transactions, cash movements on those dates? Yeah, I need to go to the report. Yeah, I could do that. Why don't you look at your transactions, cash movements on those dates? Yeah, I need to go into the report. I've never gone into a report for my Robinhood account. I've never done that before. It's a bloody great, massive list of transactions. I've never looked in it, and but that would probably tell me. But anyway, I've been looking. I don't see it in the S&P 500. Chris H doesn't see it there. So Brian. One of our members here. Oh, he's not a member. Chris H isn't even a member, and he's helping you out. There you go. That's nice. What exactly happened again with Lockheed? Lockheed, I bought Lockheed, same as Rio Tinto. I sold it on the night because I knew it was going to drop. I sold it on the night before it dropped, which it did. I'd gone past the ex-dividend date. I was expecting the dividend, and the same story. I never saw it appear in my stock, in my asset. It didn't appear. So that one's the same problem. Normally, I see all my dividends pay perfectly. Anyway, yes, in the S&P 500. Awesome. Thanks, Church. Yes, in the S&P 500. Awesome. Thanks, Church. Hang on. That's not what Church is saying. Right. Brian, you're getting confused. Church has not said that it is in the S&P 500. He said it's on the New York Stock Exchange. Please do not be confused. That is different. No, it's not in the S&P 500. If it's in the New York Stock Exchange, then it's not an S&P 500 stock. They both different indexes. If it's in the New York Stock Exchange, it is not an S&P 500 stock. They are different indexes. That's not correct, Church. That's not correct. You can be in more than one index. That's not correct. Apple is on the New York Stock Exchange, and it's also in the S&P 500. That is incorrect. That is incorrect. It's because Robin has blocked you streaming with their platform. I've seen this happen before. It's because Robin has blocked you for streaming with their platform. I've seen this happen before. Run away from Robin and Martin. Yeah, thanks for the help with that. We haven't clarified anything yet. You should be able to filter to corporate actions. You should be able to filter by corporate actions and see it. Good morning, family. Good luck today. Different exchanges. Sorry. Different exchanges. Okay, thanks for looking that. After all, there we go. Everyone's helping you. Chris H has just become a new member. It's a few minutes to go. The bear market rally is still on. Welcome, Chris. Would everybody please welcome Chris? Chris, welcome to my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. This is where I do the live music for you. If you have a special request, I'm known as the World Piano Man. 650 songs, 14 different voice impressions, and 7 different languages. I forgot to renew my gifted sub. Oh, is that what it was? Well, I'm glad you renewed it because Ali Tisro will be absolutely thrilled with that because Ali Tisro, oh my gosh, this is Ed. Now, Ed, the reason why Ed has given me $50 is not because Ed is just giving free money away. What he's doing is he has a special event coming up, and it's actually for his wife. They're celebrating an anniversary. Well, I'm away in October for my vacation. So what we're going to do, very, very special for Ed, okay, what we're going to do, let me get rid of these as well. Hide user on this channel. There we go. Get rid of that. Where is it? The 12th of October. What we're going to do, every day while I'm away, there is going to be videos at the same time. They're pre-recorded videos at the same. They'll premiere every day at the same time. Right? So the whole family can be here together talking. All right? They'll premiere every day. And on the 12th of October, the opening bell or the closing bell will link directly to Ed Nevius's event. It's one song. It's going to be Wonderful Tonight for his beautiful wife. They're celebrating their anniversary. And I will be singing that song for his wife. Her name will be in the video. It'll be a video made for her. But it will premiere where you can all go and wish him and his wife a happy anniversary. So I'm making the video especially for him and his wife. It'll come out on the 12th of October. All right. So there you go. Let me just spell anniversary. I've just spelled that wrong. Sorry. So you can all take part in that. All right. You're very, very welcome. Apple, I believe, in number 2 most valuable companies in the market. I'm holding Apple. This is my Apple position, up 1.33. That says a stock can be on several indexes, but in order to be correct, listed on S&P, you have to match. I know. Exactly. That's exactly what I said. Exactly what I said. Stocks can be on multiple indexes. So the fact it's on the New York Stock Exchange doesn't mean to say it is or isn't in the S&P. The S&P 500 has to meet certain criteria. It has to have certain income. It has to have certain volume, history, and there's a whole list of criteria what make it successful to be in that index. Anyway. Okay. Now, you also mentioned the day before I get back from my vacation, Ed, what I can do for you is you wanted me to do a song especially for your Discord channel. I can also, if you want me to, I can record that, and that can come out on the day that you want it to. You can pick up that stream and play it on your Discord. So you asked me that last night, and I've worked out how I can do it. Anyway. Correct 22. The S&P index has been at 500 largest companies traded. Absolutely. Absolutely, absolutely. There we go. So, just to clarify, so there's no confusion here, Brian Warby we do not have the answer for your stock yet. We have confirmed it is on the we confirmed it's on the New York Stock Exchange. We have not confirmed, however, that it's in the S&P 500. The best 500 companies are in the S&P 500 in regards to ticking the boxes in that criteria. They have to pass certain standards to be in the S&P 500. We do not know as of yet if your stock that you asked for is in the S&P 500. Very, very different. Yeah, that was my bad on calling it an exchange. No worries, church. I should have known better. Should have known better to lie. Remember that one? Who sung that then? Jim Diamond. Remember him? And I should have known better. Thank you for all the love and the likes and the shares over there on TikTok. Come and join us on YouTube. You're missing the party. All right. Welcome, Chris. All right. Let's get down to business. We've got a minute to go. I saw Tim Cook today. Didn't know what to say to him, so just watched him from a distance. You should have got him on the day trader. What were you, Ali Tisro? What was you thinking? Want to sing that song for me later, Martin? I don't think I really know it. Was that the stock? What was the stock? Easy to check. The stock was, Brian asked the question because he's getting confused here. He thinks it's now the S&P. It's not. Very different. BHP. BHP. I could do it, but obviously I'm in the middle of a show. That's why I asked my researcher to do it. BHP. Right. 30 seconds to go before the market opens. It's no trouble at all. It is number one in our S&P here in the Oz. The S&P 500 is not in Australia. You need to understand that. S&P 500 is very different. You're talking about an index. You're not talking about the same thing, Brian. All right, here we go. Lightning round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The market is now open. We're up 3%. It's a bear market rally. Will it continue throughout the day? Let's have a look. 3.1. It's holding. Let's do our lightning round. Where are we going? 3.3. The bear market rally is continuing. Does this mean it carry on all day? No. Rio Tinto is, let me just refresh my screen a minute, change the stock. Lockheed, no, come out of that as well. The S&P 500 is up 1%, just falling slightly. Virgin Galactic is now 503. This is why I'm holding my position. I'm not buying any more right now, though. Virgin Orbit is 331. Tesla is 2.7 and rising. Rivian is up today, 34.83. Lightning round, let's go. And Lucid is up 4.8. It's like a horse race. Who's going to win today? Arrival is up 4.21, but still way below the $1. Amazon 1.62 and just falling very, very slightly. The overall portfolio, you can see it's now up 2.95. Amazon is now falling. Look at my overall position. There it is. You can see we are up 2.92, just over $1,000 at 35,000. Okay, let's go back to Apple. Apple is up 1.56 and rising. The overall portfolio is rising. Robinhood is 2.34. This is not a bull market. It's not on the S&P. Ed Nevius, it's not on the S&P. Brian, it's not on the S&P. I think you are confusing the S&P with your main index in Australia. They are very different things. We'll explain it again. We are here to support you, but we want you to get the right information. Do not go away from this show confused. And right now, you are not clear on what we're saying. But your stock is not in the S&P 500. Confirmed by Ed Nevius. Thank you, Ed. Coca-Cola is up 0.22. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.1. Google, 1.21. Arrival is now up 5.9% now. I've just got some breaking news on my phone. Microsoft is up 1.35 and rising. The overall portfolio, let's go back to it right now, is up 3.11. This is a bear market rally. You can do the birthday now. He is up now. My family is up now. Right, we will do it. We will put a timer on the clock. We will do your birthday in 15 minutes. You've got an opportunity now to share the link of the video to all your family and friends. Get them on. They need to be in the channel. That way they can comment and be part of the event. All right. Meta is up. SoFi is up 2.95. IonQ is up 3.44. PayPal up 1.64. Rolls-Royce going down even further. I'm out of Rolls-Royce. Walmart is up 0.93. I told you why I got out of Rolls-Royce. Every indication was there. The way it was trading, very, 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 very scammy. I love the company, but I don't like the people that are trading it. Okay, Walmart is up 0.94. Walmart's going to do well. I always said that because of it's the bottom of the market. People will always use the dollar stores, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, all these things. They'll never go anywhere. Target is up 1.49. Tesco is up 1.16. Tesco, UK's number one stock supermarket. Canoe up 1.23. On Semiconductor is up 3.39. Tilray Brands is up 2.59 today. Still a long way down, 19%. I'm not buying any more. I'm overexposed to it now. Ginkgo is 2.5. Enphase Energy up 4.36. Very, very nice indeed. Bitcoin SV is down 0.8 and Bitcoin is up 0.8 today. Ethereum on the line is up 1%. There we go. There's a lightning round. There is our position. Overall, we are flying. And Portland Trailblazers, we will do your birthday for Jack in 13 minutes. 13 minutes. So what you need to do is share the link of the video. Get everybody... hey, it's Day... Nits Farrell. Hey, it's the Day Trader. DTD? What's DTD? Day Trader? Anyway, there you go. There is the link for you, Portland Trailblazers. We are going to do your birthday. It's a benefit to being a member of our channel. Okay, great stuff. Hey. Wasn't that supposed to be... TDD, the day trader, not DTD. I don't know. Maybe that's what you meant. I don't know. ATXI scalp. Ed Nevius is saying there's a scalp trade going on ATXI. Go and check that out right now. Day trader. Yeah, that's what I meant. You knew what I meant. Bloody hell. Right. Fantastic. Marvelous. All right. So far we are looking good. Am I buying anything? No. Am I selling anything? No. Am I taking profits at a 3%? No. Absolutely not. We've got a long, long, long way to go. I'm not doing anything with this at all. Short-term gains, highest tax positions, not interested right now. There is a time for scalping. There is a time, but it's not right now. It's not right now. See, Virgin Galactic is slowing down. Be very, very wary of chasing a pump. I believe in Virgin Galactic. It's why I have 1,000 shares in it, but I'm not going to suddenly go all in and crazy, back up, whatever, overspend, overstretch. This is a time to be very, very cautious, but also very brave at the same time. Tesla, I'm expecting the best quarter ever. So this stock, I'm expecting $333 a share. Very, very, very soon. Okay, some stocks are bear market rally, and some stocks really are just continually rising. So we're at 36,000 now. We're very, very happy with that. We've got day trader of the day coming up. We've got a birthday in 10 minutes for our Portland Trailblazer. If you've just tuned in and you've not liked the video today, if you want to make some money, subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. Give us a thumbs up. And I guarantee one thing. If you are positive, if you put love out in the world, you'll make some money. Look, I'm looking into my crystal ball. I told you today, it's a bear market rally, but we are going to have a green day. We'll go up, we'll lose some later in the day, but I do believe that we're going to be up and hold our position. There is my crystal ball. So good morning, everybody, and smash the like button. Smash the like button. I'm going to have 1 minute of likes. I want to get 40 likes. You ready? We're going to go for it. 40 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. I've got 44 watching with 24 likes. If you want to make some money today, smash the like button. Are you ready? Here we go. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. Come on, guys. I'm number 24 like. We're up to 25. We're 26. We're 27 likes now. We need to get to 40 likes in just 1 minute. Counting down. The clock on the screen is for our birthday surprise for one of our members. 27 likes. Come on. There's 43 people watching. All you got to do is smash the like button and we all make money, and that's good, right? Come on, be part of our family. 27 likes. I can't believe we've got 44 people watching. I'm refusing to like this video. I've no idea what's going on. 28. Go on, let's get to 30. Let's get to 30. Let's make some money today. It's payday. Come on. All we got to do is get to 30. Oh, my gosh. We've got a tough crowd today. We've got a tough crowd. We've got a tough crowd today. They're refusing. They're refusing. 29. We got to 29. You never know. 46 watching now. Incredible. Right. It's not my birthday. It was my cousin's birthday. I know. It's Jack. It's Jack. And in 8 minutes, we're going to do it. In 8 minutes, we're going to celebrate your cousin's birthday. It's his birthday today. Today. Absolutely great. So in 8 minutes, we will do it for you. All right. Very, very exciting. Now then, the overall portfolio is up today. This is a bear market rally. Do not get excited. Do not buy this pump. I mean, you can. It's up to you. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment, right? But it could drop away. You should already be in the stock. You should already be, rising up into this, enjoying it. Trim off the top if you've got excess profit, overbalance, clear off margin. Whatever it might be. But for me, I'm so far down at the moment. This is nowhere near enough. I want to get to $50,000 before I start thinking about taking some real profits off the top. All right. Where's the chart? Which chart do you want? Which chart do you want for which stock? The S&P 500's up 1.44. Virgin Galactic's now 503. So it's quite weak. Let me check the volume at the minute. You can see we're heading now to overbought on the RSI. You can see now some volume, some selling coming in, some profit taking. Look, right at the bottom of the screen here. And that's what you've got to be very wary of. For me, it's not a time to buy it. I'm already in. The market is very, very weak. This is a bear market rally. Do not get too excited. Enjoy it, but there you go. You should already be in. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, 286, Rivian. Now, Rivian is a very nice profit, I could take some money. I've got 31%. It's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. I don't think we're going to get up to $39, $40 again. That would be great, but that's a long way to go. But I've found that Rivian has always supported my portfolio. So having it in my portfolio on down days is quite good, because this at $26, it's a steal. Right? So let's have a quick look. Ed Nivius is a member of our channel, so we can review a stock. ATXI. Let's have a look. Avenue Therapeutics. Oh, I'm not too keen on this sort of stock. 89% today. ATXI. Look at that. That is ripping today. How long has it been around for? My gosh, you're not kidding. It's been around for a while. 2015. Doing very, very nicely. If you're in that stock, lock in profits. If in, absolutely, lock in profits. How do you lock in profits if you are in this stock right now? If you're in this stock now, how do you lock in profits? Well, what you do is, as the stock rises, you set a stop trail loss. You set a stop trail loss, and you go, okay, I will allow it to drop 5 cents, 5%. Pick a number, and how you pick a number. There's no magic to it, really. When a stock is doing that, when it's parabolic like that, there's no way of knowing. There's no way of knowing what's your tolerance. It's moving up really quickly. Set yourself a fight. That is going. I wouldn't be surprised now if it gets halted. That is going up incredibly quickly. So what you could do is set a 10% drop. That way. I mean, at the moment, there's nothing. It's nothing stopping it. It's going straight up. Set a 10%, and then you're up 100%. If it goes down to 90%, it will sell it. You've made 90%, right? Don't think this is going to run forever. But if you set a stop trail loss, maybe to half of it, not all of it, so you keep some, I guess. That way, as it goes up, your sell will keep going up, but it'll always protect if it drops 10% or whatever number that you put in, whether you put a percentage in. And how you do that is, I haven't got a sell option right now, but if there was a sell option there, it would go trading stop order. Say you could put a percentage or an amount, and you could go $1 or whatever you might want to do, and then apply that order, and that's how you do it. So that's what I would do. I would set a stop trail loss. There you go. Look what I just said there. I just said, didn't I? My crystal ball. I was right. I just said to you that any minute that could be halted. And it was. Robinhood have halted it due to excess trading. What that means is the stock is over pumping now. It's done to protect the brokerages and the systems, because if you get a stock that runs away, it can go both ways and there's no money to pay out, right? It's like a bank run, all right? The stock is now meme. It's gone crazy. It's going over the top, and it's been halted. Now, that doesn't mean to say when they reopen it, it doesn't continue. It could. It could. It could go down, it could go up, anything could happen. But I said to you it was likely that was going to happen, and within 30 seconds of me saying it, it happened. So always be wary of that as well. That is telling you that is excessive volatility. Excessive volatility. And if you want to learn a little bit more about that, there's the link here. It's excessive volatility, they call it circuit breakers and trading halts. It's too much, and it's there to protect you. A lot of people got upset when GameStop did that, but you got all these little kids on their phones on Reddit, trying to crush Wall Street. Well, you can't allow that to happen. The bloody world would come to an end. Anyway, day 2. Let's go. Halt up. Not Robinhood. What's not Robinhood? Anyway, there you go. I was covering the stock there for Ed Nevius, who I'm getting to know Ed Nevius on Discord, And Ed Nevis has got a training thing that he does, educating people. We'll talk more about that as we get to know Ed more. All right, anyway. Rivian, Tesla, Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic. There you go. See how it just fell back a bit? Robin haven't stopped trading that stock. What do you mean they haven't stopped trading that stock? Avenue Therapeutics. Oh, I beg your pardon. Oh, some exchanges. You're absolutely sorry. Yeah, some exchanges, not Robinhood. I beg your pardon. Yes, some exchanges have halted it, not Robinhood. I said it would be halted, not by Robinhood though, right? Okay, some exchanges, not Robinhood, have temporarily halted it. Yes, I apologise for not reading the whole message. You're absolutely right. It was stopped, but not by Robinhood. Other brokerages have stopped it. Okay, just so we're absolutely clear. If you're on Robinhood now, you can continue trading it and doing whatever you want. Anyway. The aggressive buy-ins right now are irrational. Exactly. You don't buy in now. Lucid pump still down 20%. Exactly. This is a bear market rally. What you've got now is very inexperienced investors thinking that, well, we're all going to be rich in 5 minutes. There's always going to be people like that, and they'll always learn. Yes, you're right. Wasn't criticizing. Yes. No, I know you wasn't. But I'm glad you mentioned it, though, because it's important to have the information corrected. Market manipulation. Absolutely. It's automatic on predetermined percentage move in a set time frame. Doesn't have anything to do with manipulation. That's 22. That's his opinion right there. What has happened? Why? Oh, hang on a minute. Timer's run out. The timer's run out. Right. We got a birthday surprise then. It's now time for our birthday. So, is Trailblazer in the house this time? Last night we had... He's not gone again, is he? He's not gone again. This happened last night. Hang on. No, Portland. I'm going to check. Are you here, Portland? He's here. All right, he's here. This happened last night. We're not having it happen again, are we? Right. So, it's unhalted. It's live again. Okie dokie. Yes. All right. So, all your family are here, right? So, we are going to celebrate a birthday in the house today. We're going to celebrate a birthday in the house today. And this is Portland Trailblazer. It's for his cousin, Jack. So, Jack, Ed, Portland Trailblazer, I hope you have got all your family here. And the reason why I told you to share the link, and you've had 15 minutes to do it, is because you can now have all your family in the chat. In the chat right now, celebrating your cousin's birthday, and they will get to keep it forever. It'll be their video forever. All right? And here, down the side of the chat, look, everyone's names. Look, down here. Everyone start chatting now, and all my members to wish Jack a happy birthday. And what I want you to do is copy and paste, make the chat roll through the birthday song. I want it to go viral. So it rolls through like that continually. So all Jack's family, all Portland Trailblazers family, happy birthday to Jack. I want everyone to copy and paste for Jack over and over again. I want it to roll through. So let's do it. Here we go. It's a happy birthday for Jack. Here we go. Let's do it now. Okay. Here we go. So we're in the hot seat once again. And it's a special birthday. And when we do special birthdays, of course, we always put the overlay for our birthdays. There you go. There's the birthday sign. Are you ready? Here we go. So let's get everybody in on the song. Everybody, are you ready? Come on then, let's get it rolling. I'm not going to sing the song until it starts to roll. This is especially for Jack. Happy birthday. This was given to you by one of our members, Portland Trailblazer, here on the Day Trader. We're here to celebrate your birthday. We want the live chat now to roll through. Are you ready? Here it comes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Mr. Jack. Happy birthday to you. There he goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Mr. Jack. Happy birthday to you. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah, 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 to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Jack. Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 na, to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Jack. Happy birthday to you. And there you go, Jack. That was a special birthday for you. Any of our bronze members can have a special birthday song for any of their loved ones, not just themselves, for anyone they love and care about. Now, if you look below this video, you will actually see the clip video. You clip the pair of scissors. You can clip this video as I began singing your song, and you can own the video. You have the copyright given to you because it's a member's perk. I will make sure that you have it, and you can clip and share this video and put it on all your social media, and you can keep it forever. You can download it, you can share it. Just under the video, right underneath here, is a little pair of scissors. Clip it and save it, and we hope you enjoy this and keep it as a memento. The day you went live around the world on about 20 platforms, courtesy of one of our members, Portland Trailblazers. This was a happy birthday for Jack. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, let's go back to our main trading screen right now. And here we go. Okay. Thank you, guys. And we're back in the house again. There we go. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Smash the like button. Any of our guests today who were watching the show, I hope you enjoyed that. Please go and smash the like button. We've only got 33 likes and there's 46 watching. So all of Jack's family, go and smash the like video. Smash the like button. Give us a thumbs up. That will help promote this video as well. And that would be very, very nice. Thank you very much. If anyone got in, congratulations. If anyone got in, congratulations alert at 575. What does that mean, Ed? Congratulations alert at 575. What does that mean? If anyone got in, I'm not sure what that means. Not sure what that means. Many messages here from everybody. That's absolutely wonderful. Happy birthday. Everyone took part in it. I love when everyone gets in. Thought it was John. Happy birthday. No, it was Jack. It was Jack. You are such a talented musician. Thank you so much indeed. Carter Welcome to you. We've got a guest here. Hi, Carter. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm known as the World Piano Man. Happy birthday, Jack. There we go. Lovely. Thank you very much, everyone, for taking part. There you go. Virgin Galactic dropping off. Can you see why I didn't halt it again? LOL, it's crazy. Yeah, that's what's going on with that stock right now. Anyway, let's go back to our positions here. And our overall portfolio is still up and strong. We've fallen back a little bit, but it's all good. I'm not touching it because, but good luck everyone on ATXI. I'm not touching it either. Absolutely, I'm not touching it either. That's not how I trade. I'm not interested in a meme stock like that. There are times for that kind of thing, but right now it's not. We've got excess greed, excess fear, excess multiple issues of markets crashing. You don't want to be gambling, and that to me is gambling, unless there's any specific fundamental reason why that stock has done that. And maybe there is, but I'm not familiar with it, so I'm not going to risk my money on it. But anyway, you do what's right for you, and then you'll be calm and relaxed and you'll be happy. But that's not what's right for me. Anyway, we've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a couple of minutes' time. But now it's time for a very, very, very quick commercial break. And if you enjoyed that and you'd like to be a member and have many, many perks and benefits, there are over 20 benefits and reasons why you should be a member. The membership is designed to support you. It's not to make me rich. It's there to help you. Here is the invitation to join in the chat right now. And also you can access Discord. And once you are a YouTube member, I will manually upgrade your Discord account here live on YouTube. It doesn't happen automatically. I do it by you coming into YouTube and telling me that you've got a Discord account, and I will upgrade you. Also, we got our cash prize giveaway every week as well. If you want to be in our cash prize draw, here is my weekly newsletter that goes out Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern. Just scalp only company. Fundamentals not good. There you go. I joined and got at least 19 times what I put in. There you go. I got 19 times. There is the newsletter that comes out every week, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. Once you click on it, you need to verify the email. The email always goes into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. There is the email you're searching for in your junk folder. Many of you, there are people who still have not verified their emails, who still not received the cash giveaway videos. I can't help you with that if you don't verify the email. All right. Now, for those of you who don't know, if you are a real fan of this show and you want to see it grow faster and faster, you can help for free and you earn money from doing it. Very, very easy. What I do is every day I'm live on Twitch at the same time. Now, Twitch is very important. More live streamers on Twitch than there are on YouTube. I'm live on Twitch right now. If you are able to open a separate tab or another device, please do, because the money I earn on Twitch, I give back to you as cash prize draws every first Friday of the month. There is my Twitch. Everyone should be on Twitch. And I don't know why that we don't have as many people on Twitch as YouTube. And I'll tell you why. Because if you subscribe to me on Twitch using your Amazon Prime, which is Amazon Prime /gaming, your Amazon Prime account, the money you pay into Amazon, they actually own Twitch and they give creators a little bit of that money. Doesn't cost you anything. It's $1.85 a month, and I give that back to you in a cash prize draw on the first Friday of every month. Everyone here should be a subscriber on Twitch. And right now, just to show you, I have 16 subscribers. Look, this is me on Twitch right now. There's only 2 of you watching right now. And incredible, and I've no idea why. Everyone should have a tab running in the background or a separate device like an iPad or a phone, or whatever it is. Anyway, there you go. All right, so we're coming to the end of today's show. We've got the Day Trader competition coming up in a few moments' time. Let me go into Discord see if anyone needs upgrading. If anyone's on Discord right now that cannot see all the channels, that's because you've not been upgraded. I will upgrade you. You need to come into Discord and I'll upgrade you. If anybody wants to call in, you can call in and be live on the show as well. All right. Our members can call in. I'm still here, in and out. I know you are, Mike. You're always there. Top man. And you can call in. And I've got... Ed! Is Ed still here? Is Ed Nevier still here? I've got something for Ed. Ed, are you still here? It looks like he's still here. Let's make sure he's still here. Do you have a link to Amazon Prime Gaming to Twitch? Yeah, you just Google it, Bill. It's Amazon Prime Gaming. I mean, it's on Amazon Prime. I haven't got the link for you, but maybe someone can share it on Discord. But there is a link. You just got to type Amazon Prime /gaming, and that's it. That's basically the channel. Yes, sir. Right. Okay. As you know, if you call into Discord, you get recorded, and we play you, just like Bill.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to...
Welcome to the Day Traders.
Just like
this
Nicky
show
Boy.
It's an awesome show. I have been supporting it ever.
Hello, my name is Sam.
Just
Hughes.
like Sam.
I have to first say that your show is amazing.
Just like Church.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr.
Kurt.
And I am blessed to have been on the Day Traders.
But now we have a brand new one.
Here
Who
are
is
Martyn
it?
Lucas, day trading.
From Cornwall,
great
Stewart.
show, great community. Loving the feels from a local man that is now not local, but soon to be probably local again at some point in his life. Just keep it going, keep getting rich, or at least watching your money and holding your money and saving it for the rainy day, which will come one day.
And of course, we've got a brand new one this morning for the very first time. Drum roll, please. Ed Nevius, live on the Day Trader. Here is his testimonial.
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and
Love
your
it.
music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So
There you go. That's Ed Nevius for the very first time here on the show. Absolutely love that. Thank you ever so much, Ned, for calling in. All members of the Day Trader can call in, be on the show, and all the perks and benefits. Now, can you see why I didn't chase the stock this morning? Imagine if I jumped on in at $5 and bought Virgin Galactic. It was a bear market rally, 100%. It's falling off now. I do think we'll stay green, but however, you know, it is an opportunity to scalp trade. It is, but be very, very wary because eventually this bear market will turn bullish. Eventually. Most people think, and as we've always said on the Day Trader, in the spring next year, especially when Virgin Galactic start flying and the war probably be over. I mean, let's be honest. I mean, the way it's going in Russia now, Putin could be assassinated. He could. We've got all kinds of things going on. Who knows? Hi there from Australia. Thank you ever so much indeed. Join us on YouTube if you want to be part of the family. The profile is just up here, youtube.com/the Day Trader 1. Come and join us. Apple is falling back very slightly. Robinhood is falling back. See, everything's trimming off the top. McDonald's, opportunity to buy more McDonald's right now. Definitely a chance to buy McDonald's. I've been waiting for a very long time to buy McDonald's. I don't know how low it can go. 234. My average is 244. It's now 242. It's only down nearly a 0.75%. It's been lower over the year. It's been as low as 222. But it pays a decent dividend, 2.24. It's not that shabby. It's not the best by any means. But it's a long-term hold, and people are always going to buy a McDonald's. Simple as that. It has a growth over time. Always good to buy it at a dip. See, that's not bad. It's on a 3 months low now. It bounced off 242. We're there right now. Just buying some more McDonald's. I had to turn it off because I had to re-input my security code. It does that if you've not traded for a while. So what I've done is I bought some more McDonald's. I've been waiting for a dip like that for ages on a company like that. Coke is at a low, but it's been lower. I am down 6.5% on Coke, but it's not low enough. 3 months, as you can see, it's been lower, and I haven't got that sort of money available. But I could shore up my McDonald's, so I'm down 0.5% now. So I'm glad about that. If I look at over the 3 months, it's down 4.5%. I'm happy with that. It's a bear market. It is a bear market, 100%. It's a bear market rally, and now a massive sell-off. Here we go. Here comes a fake pump. Hedge funds take classic trick in the book. Well, only if you bought it. Did you buy it this morning? I didn't. You go, well, hang on a minute. You're going, yeah, you did. I just watched you buy it. You watched me buy the prices going down. You didn't watch me buy the prices going up. I've just lowered my average on McDonald's. I'm not interested in paying more for stuff. I always want to pay less. I'm happy to do that. The S&P's going down. I'm selling AMD. I'm not in AMD right now. I made some money on it. I'm out of it right now. The overall portfolio, let's have a look, is falling back. I said today would end up green. I think, like last night, we were just down at the end. I think today could be just around about the same. We are in a terrible state right now. There are these bear market rallies. There are opportunities, but I'm only looking to buy good companies. I'm buying companies, not stocks. I'm buying companies, not stocks. I'm not buying prices. I'm buying value. I'm buying companies that make money. I've said it before, there's no reason to buy. Decent economic data out in the US today. What does that mean? Fed aren't as afraid to raise interest rates. Good news is now bad news. I've said it before, there's no reason to buy. Decent economic data out in the US today. What does that mean? Fed aren't as afraid to raise interest rates. Good news is now bad news. Well, I know one thing. There's only one way to make money for my pension, for my future, is to save and invest. That's the only way I'm going to make any money. I'm not going to make any money sat on my hands with my money in the bank. So what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to buy companies that make money, companies that have history, companies that are the best companies in the world, companies where specifically things like Coca-Cola or McDonald's will always make money and will always need or use them. Now, as you can see, McDonald's is just hovering around where I bought it. I'm not trying to time the market or look at any sophisticated chart. I just know that McDonald's is a great company. Simple as that. And I've been waiting for a very long time. I say a very long time. I've been waiting for 3 months to get it at this price here. Over 3 months it's down. And it's approached, look at it over the year. It's been as low as this a year ago. So this is a good time to buy. A company that makes money. A company that will provide you, when you've got no money, you can always afford a McDonald's, right? Simple as that. Anyway, bad news was good news for the last 15 years. It meant the Fed would keep their foot on the gas. The market's 100% about what the Fed is doing. Market Profit would agree with you 100% on that. You two sound the same. Spot on. Both the same. 0.75 is expected, but midterm is around the corner. Powell is under pressure. He is. I think Powell could reverse. I do, but I don't know. Nobody knows. I just think it's time to buy good quality companies. And that's what I've just done. He is the Market Profit 2.0. Yeah, he is. He does sound the same, actually, doesn't he? He does sound the same. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum's up to date. I'm waiting for it to fall before I buy any more. Same with Bitcoin. I'm not touching it until it goes all the way down to 10,000. Not me. I don't eat fast food, but I get it. Yeah, you can't not, right? Enphase Energy down 1.66. I'm not in a position to spend any more money. I've just spent as much money as I can this week. Ginkgo Bioworks, Tilray Brands. There's a few green shoots on. Canoe, Tesco, down 15%. Target, Walmart, Rolls-Royce. My gosh, Rolls-Royce. Can you believe Rolls-Royce now? It's just going to nothing. I mean, literally, we talk about a penny stock. A penny stock is under $5. But this stock now, I mean, it's literally going to pennies. It's all about the inflation data now. If inflation just drops, that will be good news. If inflation increases, it's rip to the market. I think inflation is dropping. Pretty much most analysis would agree that inflation already is dropping. Or at least slowing down anyway. Meta, Microsoft. We're getting a second bite of the cherry today. Let's have a look at my J&J as well. Also, I doubled up down here. It hasn't got low enough for me to buy any more, but J&J is also a very good one to own and hold. Coca-Cola coming back up. I'm so chuffed I managed to get some more McDonald's today. That worked out really great. It's fallen a bit more. When I just bought it at 242. It has fallen a bit more. Oh, that's okay. As I say, I'm not trying to time a market or be the best trader in the world. Just want to keep buying cheaper, good companies. Companies that are on sale. That's all. It went up overall 0.1%. That still means it's a peak. Yes, but the rate slowed, Church. Some industries, you are right, but major inflation as a whole is still way out of control. Yes. Lucid, Rivian, but commodities are coming down, fuel is coming down. I'm sure we're going to see inflation peak soon. Rivian, Tesla, I think Tesla is one of the strongest companies because it can lower prices of its cars. It makes more margin than anyone, including our good friend Churchy's Ford. But so that's why I love Tesla. I think it can react better than any other car company in the world. It can reduce its car prices to help people buy them and still make money where other companies would lose money on their cars. Tesla have that up their sleeve. That's what makes Tesla the most valuable asset to own and hold. Right there. The bond curve is still sloppy, not a curve yet. Ed Nevius, what happened to everyone's badges? Church. What's happened to everyone's badges? What do you mean? What happened to everyone's badges? You've obviously let your membership lapse. That's what's happened. Some of you have let your membership lapse. Yeah, it's because you've not renewed it. That's all. And you've got a few days to sort it out to keep the history of your membership, so eventually you'll turn yellow and gold and then red. I don't see any badge next to my name and everyone. No, everyone's got a badge. You're the only one. You've let it lapse. What is going on, Church? We can't talk to Church anymore. He's no longer a member. Rubbish. Tesla sales will collapse in a recession. Doesn't matter if they are selling them at a discount. I don't think Tesla will go anywhere at all. Right, we're getting a second bite of the cherry this morning. There you go. There you go, Church. You let your bloody membership lapse. Oh, unbelievable. You've been too busy giving membership to everybody else. You've forgotten your own. He's too nice. Yep. You've got a light green badge now. You're not blue anymore. You're light green. You'll be turning yellow soon. Oh, that was close. Imagine if he started all over again. He's lost his history. How much does it cost to be a member? We have many perks, Preston, bronze, silver, gold, investor, and sponsor and investor level. The most expensive membership we have is $499 a month. That is very, very extremely exclusive. And the cheapest we have is bronze, which is a couple of bucks a month. And our most popular is actually silver, by the way, now. But no, it's not. No, it's not. Beg your pardon. It's bronze. It's still bronze. But silver's getting very close now, actually. It's bronze, which is the entry level, which is this one here. If you click the invitation to join, you become a member. And you get... In fact, I'll tell you what I'll do, Preston. I won't tell you what the perks are. Right? Just do it. Just trust me. Trust this stranger on the internet who's talking absolute rubbish. Just trust me, and I promise you, you will love it when I tell you what you get afterwards. You can always cancel it, get rid of it, but I promise you, you will love it. Now, if you trust me, and if you think everyone here sounds really genuine and honest, which we are, we're the most honest, real channel on YouTube. I go live 10 hours a day to prove it. Become a member without knowing what you get, and then like a surprise. Rather than me tell you and sell it, I don't want to sell it to you, because 95% of our viewers are members. Become a member, and then I'll tell you what you get, and let's see if you're absolutely thrilled to bits. All right? You need a browser. So there you go. There's my challenge to you. If you are a YouTuber, silver is by far the best value, but bronze is an entry. You can always upgrade at any point. All right? Anyway, let's see if he does it, and then I'll be able to tell him. Where's my day trader of the day? Shall we do it now? We need to end the show, right? We need to end the show. There we go. Let's do day trader of the day. Okay. Let's bring everybody up to date. And you know how to do that? If you're watching the show, I don't know why I say if you're watching the show. If you're watching the show right now on YouTube, like you're not, right? See here, if your live is grey, you're behind the stream. You click the live button, it turns red, it brings you up to date. You are up to date. You know exactly where you are. All right. So Click that. Actually green for once. I know. It's good, isn't it? So there you go. Let me run a quick commercial break. Let's see if our member what do I get if I do it? Well, that's the point. I want you to do it, and then I'm going to surprise you with something really great. I just want to see if you'll do it. If I sell it to you, there's no point. You're going to love it. I promise you. Just do it. You can always cancel it, but I promise you, you will absolutely love it. Why do you think everybody who watches our show is a member? Just do it, and I promise you, you'll love it. All right? I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm not going to sell it to you. I'm just going to see if you're going to do it. And I promise you, you'll love it. Anyway, let's see if he does. Right, let's go to a quick commercial break, and I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. It's all about, this family is all about giving and sharing, all right? If I tell you what you'll get, you'll know it's so good. Then it's about what can I get out of it? Interesting sales technique. Yeah, I know. Because I ain't selling it anymore. We've got 95% of people watch this show. We've got the highest engagement rate on YouTube, right? I'm not selling it. I don't need to sell it. We're all here to help people, right? So have a bit of faith and then good. And when, oh, there we go. He's done it. Right. Okay. I do agree, though. I think it's worth it. Right. Okay. Here we go. So, Preston, you just become a member. So, first of all, he took a leap of faith. He did it. He just came on and trusted me, which is wonderful, right? So I want everybody now to give Preston, welcome to the family. My name is Martyn Lucas, known as the World Piano Man. I've performed in 195 countries as the World Piano Man. Let me give you away from my studio. This is my TV studio here in Dallas, Texas. I'm actually from Cornwall in England, and I'm going to be there in a few days' time for our annual convention, and you can be at the party if you want to be. We're having a party on the beach. There's a pasty lunch, and there's all sorts of stuff thrown in for the party. If you want to be there, let me know, and I can tell you all about it. Now, what do I get? He's going, hang on a second. So first of all, would everyone please welcome him in? We are the most engaging live channel. We go live 10 hours a day for our members. The live streams are for our members. If it wasn't for the members, I wouldn't be here. Okay, I would be like other YouTubers and just make videos, but I'm live all the time because of the members. So the live streams are supported by the members. So you are making this happen. Okay, you will get, first of all, you get a badge. Right now, your badge is blue. It will turn green, yellow, gold, and red, and your benefits will improve. You can now get a poll in the chat. If you want me to poll the audience, I can do a poll for my members. I will also reply to all your questions, answer all your stock questions. I will make videos on stocks for you to promote a stock that you might have invested in. That's worth a lot of money. If you want me to review a stock, you also get access to Discord. Now, Discord is free, but you also get access now to all the membership channels, and you can talk to our big investors. We've got some very, very big, multi-million-dollar investors you can talk to directly for free by being a bronze member. If you ever upgrade, you can go on the homepage of the YouTube channel and I'll promote your channel if you're a YouTuber. If you're not, that probably doesn't interest you, but this is our members on YouTube. On top of that, you also can celebrate a birthday as well. A birthday for you and a member of your family. If you go up to silver, you can have a 20-minute concert. But as a member, for you or your family or anyone you care about, you can have a birthday like our friend Jack did earlier today as well. Okay? You'll also be invited to special exclusive events. We have member-only live videos all the time. You will now see those. If you look below the channel, members-only videos. Look, there are members-only videos that only members can see. If you're not a member, you can't see these. These are for members only, and there's more coming out. Now, I'm about to take my vacation, so I'm going to take a little break for a while, but normally I'm here every day. We're going to have members-only chats, members-only videos, members-only parties. We have music concerts for our members only. All kinds of stuff like that as well. All right. Discounts to our store as well. The list goes on and on and on. And that's just some of the perks and benefits. So hopefully you think that's worth a couple of bucks a month. For me to go live 10 hours a day for my members, if it was just that, it'd be worth it. But everything else I've given you, hopefully you will think is worth it. If you don't, I'm sorry, but I think we have the best membership plan on YouTube. That's what I think. And that's why 95% of my live viewers are members and no one leaves. And the memberships get better and better and better with time. So hopefully you like it. And thank you very much indeed. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in and give Preston a warm welcome. Let's get to know him. Where's he from? And let's all support our new member of our family, because we are a family. We've had people here in hospital with chemotherapy. We've had people lose a family member who want to come on here for support. We play the music. We do all sorts. We're here as a family. That's worth a lot. I hope you'll agree. Anyway, congratulations. Thank you for joining. And there you go. You are now a member and you are in the family. And hopefully you'll think it's of good value. I think it is. Anyway, that's why I didn't want to sell it to you before. I thought I would just do it. And hopefully you agree. All right. Okay. Now then, don't forget, as a member, as of Monday, the live shows are going to take a short break. It's my annual vacation. So for a few weeks, I'll be away. And there will be exclusive content. I'm waiting for my surprise. I thought I'd said everything. I thought I'd said everything. What else could I say? Welcome, Preston, from Belfast, UK. All the members are welcome you in because you're a member. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, Preston. Surprise! What's up? I think I think that's everything, isn't it? My birthday is on October the 19th. Welcome, Preston, from sunny Wales. Right, it's time for Day Trader of the Day. There you go. There's the welcomes coming in from everybody. So if you've made sure that you subscribed like this, you'll be notified about the members-only videos, which will come during my vacation. You need to subscribe like this. Let's just check you've done it. Look, you subscribe. And when you hit the subscribe button, see the little bell? You click it and make sure it's set to all. If that's not set to all, you will not see the breaking news as it comes in. So you can turn it off, turn it back on, so you'll know that you subscribe to it. There you go. All right? And that's how you subscribe and notify the bell. And on your mobile device, you turn notifications on however you want to receive it. All right, okay. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. It's time for me to get out of here. Thank you ever so much, everybody who liked the video and supported the channel and became a member today. We've got, oh, and don't forget, for Ed Nevius in October, there's going to be that special 12th of October surprise. Bloody hell. Bloody hell what? What's bloody hell? What's going on? Here we go. Day Trader of the Day. I'm up 2.79. What's the bloody hell going on? When the first person posts, I will give you a 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. All right, the scores are coming in now. Let's go. I'm up 2.79. Nitz Farrell is 2%. Jason Newman is up 1.97. Ian Jackson, 4.8. He smashed it. Oh, is that why, Fusion? I now see why you put bloody hell, because you were beaten. You were beaten by the smallest amount, right? 4.8. That's why. Ian Jackson came in and went, I'm 4.8. Let's have a look, see if we've got any better. I'm up. Ian up, I know. 4.8. Is that going to be the winning score today? Up 900%, if only. Oh, yeah, I'm up 2. Yeah, I'm up 2%, he said. 2.2. Very, very good. Looks like the winner today. Time has run out unless anyone can sneak in at the end. It's about time. It's about time, says Ian Jackson. It's about time. Absolutely right. It's about time. And it's about time, actually, Ian Jackson, that, where is he? That your badge will turn green. Any day now, your badge will turn green. I think it's after 1 month, your badge will turn green. It starts off on blue. Anyway, congratulations. Let's celebrate Ian Jackson as well. So don't forget, take advantage of all your benefits and perks, Preston. Let's hang on. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. I'm doing it all back to front today. And give him the sound effects. There we go. Whoop, whoop, sexy green. Yeah. Ian Jackson. You'll be green soon. And then yellow, then gold, then red. All right. Whoop-de-whoop, he says. Sexy green. Exactly. Green's a good badge. That's when you've been a member for a month or so, I think it is. Anyway, there we go. We've got a bit of a bear market rally continuing. That's good. We like that. Where's my McDonald's going? It's rising up again. I'm down 0.42. I've never been in the money on McDonald's. Never been in the money. So I bought the drop this morning. I'm happy to do so. Over the week it's down. Over the month it's down. It's a company with a good balance sheet, making plenty of money. McDonald's isn't going anywhere. I've got good dividends. I've bought more. Long term, I'm very, very happy, and I'm very happy to see it going up. You never know, I might be in the green for the first time on McDonald's. And the only way to get in the green on stocks like this is to buy it when it goes to new lows. And that's what you want to do. And that's now being reflected in my overall portfolio. And I want to build a portfolio that I can relax, and in 20 years from now, I can be up 1,000% on all my positions and just be happy and do not worry if we drop 20, 30% and have crashes. I've got friends like that bought millions of shares of Amazon and stuff like that when it first came out, and they couldn't care less when we have a bear market. They're happy as Larry. They're really not bothered. Look at that. I'm down 0.3 now. Very, very close. Just $3 down on McDonald's. Great. Great. Dexter Sickles. Late, I know. That would have been a winning score, Dexter Sickles, with his fancy green badge. Ian Jackson, let's see, he's got his green badge. Alf. We got a guest here. Alf. Salford in Lancashire, the United Kingdom. I'm a lassie from Lancashire. La 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 boo be doo. Alf, why don't you become a member? You're the only person who's not a member now in the chat. By the way, if somebody wants to gift a membership, give me a tip for a song. We only need another $5 and we can have a song at the end of the show, because we had a $5 tip earlier from Mark Korn. So $5 today will get you a song at the end of the show if someone does that. And if you do it in the way of gifting a membership, then I get a $5 tip, and our only person who's not a member, Alf, might win a membership. And it's given to the person who's most engaging in the chat. So if you're thinking somebody might gift a membership in a minute, start chatting, and you'll the most engaged person will win it. That's how it works. Okay, Alf, I live in Preston. There we go. Preston, down the road. Alf and Shad, they can get together. Look, they're down the road. ATX up a bit over 30% scalp. Very nice, Ed. Congratulations to you. You've made plenty of money today. Very nice. Ian Jackson, Man City fan, Alf. I'm not going to tell you which Manchester club I support then, because I don't want to put him off. I don't want to put him off. Anyway. Bear market continuing. I'm up 3 1/3. Remember I said today would end up at a green day. I think it will. It might only be up 0.5%, but I think that we are in a bear market rally, and I do think that we can hold up above my position. And the fact that I've been able to buy McDonald's today on a discount makes me very, very happy. I've been waiting to get this company for a long time. And there you go. All right, that's it from me this afternoon. This morning, I'll be back this afternoon for the closing bell. Thank you ever so much indeed. We're not going to get a song because nobody made the extra. Red close, in my opinion. Red close. Could well be. We don't know. No one knows. No one knows, do they? All we can do is keep investing. Remember, for me, my golden rule is invest in companies, not prices. Invest in companies that make money, that long-term make money, that have history, good management, good CEO, change the world, proprietary, unique, different. There's only one McDonald's, right? Only one McDonald's. They'll always be around. I can never see McDonald's disappearing. But now it's time to go. I'll see you back for the closing bell this afternoon. Thank you very much for being here. But yes, as Mark says, it is time to roll the credits. So let's do it. Let's bring in the music. Thanks for being here. Thank you very much for those of you who did tune in last night to our special music show. And if in case you've not realized, below the video on the homepage, let me just share this with you. We do have member only video. Love you, Martin. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, Preston. Look below the videos on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Look, the Day Trader. Scroll down. There is the members only videos, and there's more coming all of the time. And here is the music channel. Should you wish to follow my music and to get more music when I'm off air, you can. I've got every playlist imaginable to man. All right, there you go. There it is. So let me come back. We got a guest just turned up. Thing Yai In, I can't pronounce the name, I'm sorry. 20,000 shares of space at 652. Well, I had 2,500. I've now got 1,000. Wow, that's a great investor this morning of space. Caden is late. Hello, Caden, with his green badge now. He's gone from blue to green. Excellent stuff. Right, it's time to wrap up the show. Roll the credits. Thank you very much indeed for being here. Let's see who took part in today's show. It's the bear market rally is continuing. Look, I'm very, very happy. Got a discount on McDonald's, hopefully turned green today. Never had McDonald's in the green. Found a new low today. I bought it. Very, very happy. That's the company you want. My channel is really growing now. I'm getting loads of views on shorts. Congratulations, Caden. We're very, very proud of you, mate. Well done indeed. Well done indeed. And we have just gone through 5,000 subscribers. And yesterday we had a viral video on our channel. Did you see it? I mentioned Mr. Beast, and I had nearly 4,000 views in an hour or so. See that there, look? We went viral a couple of days ago. So we've now smashed our 5,000 subscribers, and you can have a quick look where we are right now on the subscribers. We are now at 5,042, 5,043. We're gaining every day, so I would love to introduce all my subscribers to you, Caden, and we'll do that again for you. Sponsor the newsletter if you like this Sunday. Anyway, let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. See you all back this afternoon. Here we go. Roll the credits. I got a 12,000 view short. Oh, mate, that's brilliant. Really, really great. You get a lot of subscribers from it as well. It doesn't make you any money, but it's a great way to promote your channel. Great way to promote your channel. Congratulations to you. As I say, it doesn't make you any money, but it does get you subscribers. Just keep it on niche. You don't want the wrong subscribers, because what it can do is get people to subscribe and then unsubscribe, which is not good. And keep it on niche. Moderators, super chats from Mark Corn, Ed Nevius, followers, Portland 202, subscriptions, yeah boy, members, Will Ledwidge, Chris H, the Church of Logic, Preston, Uli Barry. There's all our stars of the show. Lots of new members today, lots of new subscribers, some super chats as well. Thank you very much indeed. What a great show. We're on a bear market rally. I'll see you all back this afternoon. Always engaged, always happy, says Nitz. I'm watching you and learning what I can. Alf, become a member. You've got about 10 seconds to go. I'll see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Until then, have a wonderful afternoon. Take care of yourselves and each other.